Hi, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix the fast boot problem which is not detecting your device when you are in the recovery mode to root your mobile or for the another work. Even if you install the USB driver of your mobile, then still it didn't detecting your device. So to fix this, first of all you have to download this zip file from the link given in the description below. Then extract this file. And this is the folder. Now you have to connect your mobile to PC and make sure to put your mobile into the recovery mode. You can put your mobile into the recovery mode using the ADB as well by typing ADB reboot bootloader and then press enter. Now your mobile will reboot into the recovery mode, and then you have to install the Fastboot driver. To do that, open the device manager on your Windows. You can open it by right clicking on the start and click on the device manager here, or simply right click on this PC, go to the properties and here click on the device manager, and now wait for device manager to load. And here under the other devices you will find your mobile. In my case it is HI3650. In your it may be Android or any other. Now right click on your mobile here and then click on update driver. Select the second option. Here also select the second one. Now select show all devices and click on next. Now here click on have a disk button. Click on browse here and now go to the folder you extracted. Open it and select this file and then click on open. Now click on OK and then click on next. Now click on yes and allow install here, and now the USB driver has been installed successfully. Now here you can see under the Android phone that your mobile driver is installed. Now go back to the Fastboot and again type Fastboot devices, and as you can see that the Fastboot is not detecting your mobile. So this is the easy way to fix this Fastboot problem. I hope this method will help you. If you still have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.